I'm guessing that for a lot of you, the title of this video and the thumbnail really aren't much help as to what I'm making. And that's fun because you get to learn something. I always give it away in the title and the thumbnail. You know exactly what it is. This time, what the heck is a super combo taco? That doesn't make any sense. If you Googled it, you're cheating. Go away. Just kidding. Go away after the end of the video. After you hit the like, the thumb down there. Because I need all the help I can get with the YouTube algorithm. But you know what I also need is a super combo taco. Right about here. Yeah. So we are going to make this oddity of the Taco Bell history books. This is a weird one that was 1986 or 7, something like that. They had it for a couple of years. Now, they used to have the Taco Bell Grande, which was a super giant taco. It was about this big. This is much larger than their normal one. It was twice the size of the regular crispy taco. So it was about yay big. And this, it was using that shell, but using it in ways that God himself would not approve of. This is weird stuff right here. So why do we have beans? Why do we have their red enchilada sauce that goes inside the burritos? And the meat and the cheese and all of this. Why do we have that? Because that's what it means to be a super combo taco. Okay, I don't know why, but they took all the stuff that burrito things. The reason there's a glass of water sitting here is because my voice is kind of messed up and I get a little choked up, and if I need that, I have to drink a little bit to help stop that. So that's why there's a glass of water sitting there. If I get choked up or whatever and the video skips ahead, you'll know what happened. So I apologize for that. But back to what we're talking about here. These are the Super Stuffer Old El Paso taco shells. It is almost impossible at home to make something like this. It truly is. The equipment that's required to do that, it's kind of beyond the realm of the average home cook. So these are our substitute for that. In reality, it's not that big a sin because these taste exactly like the Taco Bell Crunchy Tacos. Although they do come pre-staled, so you have to unstale them. Take them, put them in the oven at 350 for a couple minutes until they're nice and hot, and they're ready to go. These I will put back in the cupboard, zip this up, and they will stay stale as long as I need them. Why do they come pre-staled? I don't know. Okay, so the red enchilada sauce. I've done a lot of these videos. If you haven't seen all my Taco Bell stuff, then you have been missing out because I've done like 30 Taco Bell videos where I go over a lot of this. Now, the red sauce here is a red enchilada sauce. That's what they put inside the burritos and a few other things. And this is a really great red enchilada sauce right there. This brand has almost the same ingredients on the back as they have listed on theirs. So this is the one I use. There are plenty of others. La Victoria and Old El Paso are supposed to be fairly good as well if you stay away from Macayo's. That's just good advice. Having been to an actual Macayo's restaurant, yeah, not my cup of tea. If it's yours, I apologize. If your last name is Macayo, well, I really apologize. But yeah, okay. So this, I'm kind of all over the place today. Squirrel. Anyways, sorry, this is a weird video. Okay, so we've got meat, we've got beans, we've got this. This is what's basically in a combo burrito, but we're doing it inside of a taco. And because it's going in a taco, you have lettuce and cheese. The other thing you would have in a combo burrito would be onions, but they don't put it in the taco. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to get started assembling this. This has already been in the oven. It is nice and warm. Well, it was before I started rambling. We have our meat here. If you haven't seen me make the Taco Bell meat, somewhere above my head over here is a link to that video on how to make their meat at home. Spoiler alert, it's the lime juice is the secret. Teaspoon of lime juice. If you don't want to go through all the effort and you have one of those seasoning packets, put a teaspoon of lime juice in at the end, or as you're doing the seasoning. That's good enough. It'll taste just like it. There you go. Shortcuts. All right, beans. I also have a video on how to make their beans. Now, their beans are 100% vegan. In the video, I use butter and chicken stock. Obviously, you would use oil and water or vegetable stock to make it vegan. But you already knew that because vegans don't need to be told how to be vegan. Anyways, I also did a thing on vegan tacos, if you wanted to see that. That's pretty crazy. Yes, vegan tacos. I did that. If you're craving Taco Tuesday and you want to know how to make really good tacos, vegan tacos, watch that video. I'll put it there again. Hey, what do you know? All right, now we've got our beans and we've got our meat going in. We've got our red enchilada sauce going down. That right there is an abomination, which is probably why it only lasts a couple of years. I don't remember having ever eaten one of these things. This is kind of the era when I was working there, so I should have. I don't remember ever making one of these, to be honest with you. So I'm not sure this is a big seller. Might be why it wasn't on the menu, and we're about to find out if it's because it sucks. There's a good chance this is just a terrible idea, and that's why this never made it. Here, we'll put a little bit more on there, and something's beeping at me. Oh. I lost the battery on that overhead. Okay, nobody cares. This is the Super Combo Taco. Super Combo Taco, everybody. That's the thing. I'm going to have to shoot the thumbnail real fast because in about 2 seconds this won't exist and then I can't take the picture. We'll be back in 1 second and then we're going to find out together if you should be making this or if this is joke's on me. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, folks. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. I got to know what this thing tastes like. I never ate one of these back in the day. I found the commercial, which I'll put at the end of the video, so when I'm done saying all this stuff, there's a commercial for this thing. I will put it there. You get to watch the original commercial from 1986 or whatever it was, something like that, or 1990. I forget exactly what that was. It's funny, but because you can't figure out how to eat a taco. Humor was different back then. Not that it's any better now. I'm living proof of that, right? All right, going in. That's a weird flavor. I just did an ending for this and then realized it took like 27 minutes for me to like wrap my head around that, and you don't really want to see me rambling for 27 minutes about, wow, that's interesting. So I will just say, that is interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the, no, just kidding. The beans, the texture of it, all that stuff, the enchilada sauce and the red sauce, that is money. You got to do that with basically everything. But I could see where people would be a little confused if you ordered this and didn't know what was in it. You know, you're just like, ooh, look, the new Super Combo Taco. I'll take 2 of those. You've been into that. You were probably, what the hell just happened? And you went back through the drive-thru and asked, what is in that? But if this was your favorite thing back in the day, I can see that too, because it is unique. It is interesting. It's a taco burrito. It's a burrito and a taco. That's fun. It's different. Nobody likes, some people don't like burritos. And if you don't like burritos and you love tacos, that is a great combo burrito in a taco. And I'll finish it. I will eat that. Absolutely. Should you make this? If you really want to know what it tastes like, absolutely. If you have the ingredients just laying around because you were doing something else, anyways, make one. Find out what it is. If you're going to go out of your way and spend all this time making all this stuff just for that, just know I never told you to do that. That's just a personal preference from me. You may absolutely love this thing. And if you do, or you hate it, please leave me a comment. If this is your favorite thing on their menu back then, please leave me that comment, because I got this suggestion from one of you guys leaving me a comment about the weird taco thing they used to make back in the day. There it is. That's the thing. And comments like that keep this channel going. Because let's face it, it's easier to just take your ideas than it is to come up with my own. And I had completely forgotten about this thing. And I don't remember making one back in the day, so I don't think they were super popular. But now you know what it is. Now you know how to make it. And you learn that by watching this channel. And I thank you so much for doing that and hope you'll do it again when I come out with my next video. Until then, thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.
Just when you thought you tried everything to satisfy a big appetite, something new comes along from the border. Introducing the 99-cent Super Combo Taco from Taco Bell. New, better, with a beefier taste and hearty beans to handle the biggest appetite. If you can get your mouth around it, it's yours for just 99 cents, but only for a short time. The new Super Combo Taco. Think you can handle it? Taco Bell has a roll to make a ride.